good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carrie. If you're new here, please make sure you hit that red subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you don't miss anything when I upload. If you ain't new, welcome back, boo. Let's go ahead and get it popping. All right, y'all, so of course this is what the box looks like every time I get the unit. So when you unbox everything from it, it does come with the hair, but we also get a lot of goodies. So the first thing that we got up in here is going to be a wig cap, and you know we need that, girl. We get this cute brush. This is a nice powder brush, so I think this is really, really cute. And then you get the nice silk bag to put your hair in. You get the instruction booklet, and then the hair comes in the plastic. So with this unit, it's not a headband wig. It's a 5x5 lace frontal closure unit, and you can see off jump that the curls are very pretty, very juicy. As far as the construction, you get 2 combs on the sides, 1 in the back on the nape area. You do get some adjustable straps, and then you get that 5x5 area to give you some free parting space to part it wherever you want to part it. That's what the lace looks like against my skin. It looks like it may have some little baby hairs on it as well. Now, as far as the prepping process goes, this is right after the wash. I'm putting in my leave-in conditioner, and then I'm going in with my almond oil just to kind of seal the ends. Whatever's left over on the palm of my hands, I just rub it in throughout the hair just to get it nice and moisturized and lock in the moisture. That is all I did for the prepping process. You comb it through, that's it. You let it air dry. Like I said, this is a 5x5, so you can basically part this unit wherever you want to part it. So I was kind of deciding if I wanted to do the middle, the left, or the right. So I just kind of sprinkled a little bit more water on it, and I was playing around with it, and I think I ended up with a left side part. We'll see when we get to the install part of the video. But yeah, very versatile, but also beginner friendly, so super happy about that. So as far as styling the unit, this is what it looks like straight on my head after it has air dried. I'm going to be first tinting my lace with my even tint spray in the color medium dark brown, just to kind of get it to match me a little bit. And then after that, I cut off the lace with my razor comb, added some powder to my parting space, and I went in with my hot comb after just to flatten out the top a little bit so it could look nice and smooth. So after this, it was not much I needed to do, but I did go in with my Aussie Freeze spray and just kind of lay that flat a bit, and that's all I did on camera. I did later on go in and add some baby hairs off camera, and I plucked the parting space because I felt like it was a little too closed up. So now I'm going back in with the water and adding some mousse to kind of give me a wet look, and that is basically it, y'all. So you'll get to see what it's about, and let's get into the review.
All I want to is to be close to you, but I don't know how and what to do. I'm so shy when it comes to you, but I guess you're curious.
Shout out to NiaWigs for sending me over this unit to review. So we have another unit from them, and this time it's not a headband wig. We have a lace front. So this is a curly 5x5 lace front wig. This is in 14 inches. The color is natural black, and the cap size is a medium. They do have different inches, of course, different colors, different cap sizes. So you kind of customize it to the way that you need it to be. And my promo code is going to be Carrie15. So that's going to save you a little bit of money. But of course, the information and deets to this unit will be listed in the description box. Just in case you missed it, you could catch up down there as well. As you saw, it was really easy to kind of slay this unit. It's a 5x5 lace front, and I like that. It's beginner friendly. First of all, if you're looking for a human hair wig and you're new to it, it's a 5x5 versus a lace frontal where you have to do all of the work to, you know, melt down everything. You kind of just have to focus on that one parting area. You could get the middle part, the side part, whatever, and that's really the focus. Now, off jump, I'm going to have to say that the hair is very soft. I'm really feeling the texture on the unit. You do get some nice volume with this unit. I kind of wanted to stick more to the defined wet look, so that's why I added my water back with the mousse. But all in all, the curl pattern is really pretty, and it's full all the way through down to the bottom. You can just see it for yourself how full the unit is. So it's really pretty, y'all, and the texture is really nice and soft. As far as any shedding or anything like that goes, I got just a little bit when I was washing the unit. It might have been some dead strands, nothing too crazy, but I haven't gotten any since I started styling the unit. I'm not getting any tangling with this unit at all, so I can run my fingers through it. Now I'm gonna say this 14-inch is a decent length, like right past the shoulders. It's a nice, sexy, doable, everyday kind of look to it, so I'm feeling that. It's really cute. Being that this is a medium cap size, I have a 22.5 circumference size head. I do have just a little bit of my, you know, side edges and stuff out, so definitely consider getting a large if you're somewhere around my head circumference size. I think the lace looks really good. Once you actually add your little powders and your EB tint spray, it kind of melts kind of decently, so we kind of getting a little slayage right there. If you're a little too close, I'm gonna tell you back up, that means you could clock me, and that means you're too close. But it does look really good, so I'm happy about that. One thing that I would have to say about the unit, which is a con in my opinion for me, it's all preference. If you see something different, then you go with what you think. But it did say no plucking required, so you know, it's supposed to have like a pre-plucked hairline upon the 5x5 parting area space, and I feel like it's a bit dense. I feel like this could be plucked a lot more. But yeah, you know, I'm a lazy wig wearer, so I wasn't doing all of that. But just by looking at it, it's very dense. It's very straight across, so it could use some plucking. However, I would say utilizing some little hairs to swoop you some baby hairs does kind of disguise that a little bit, and going in with some powder to kind of give it some streaks to give that illusion of having a pre-plucked hairline definitely works too, if you're not someone who wants to get into all the plucking and stuff like that. All right, y'all, so that is it. That basically concludes my thoughts on this unit right here. I'm actually very excited about this one because, like I said, like, I've been using a lot of their headband wigs. This is the first one that actually has some lace on it, and I'm like, this is really freaking cute. So I think this unit is absolutely gorgeous. Like, it's very classy, sophisticated, definitely screams date night. This is some Valentine's Day hair. I can see that. And my husband likes it, so you know, if he like it, it's cute, because you know he picky and stuff like that. But that is it for this review, y'all. If you have any questions, definitely comment down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Let's get ready for Valentine's Day, y'all. It's coming up. It's right around the corner, but I'll see y'all later. Mwah.